Video has become the most powerful way for businesses and marketers to sell and engage with their target audiences online. But this is not just about having a video. Video is an online reflection of your business, and visitors judge your business based on experience from watching your video. All it takes for your visitor to turn away from your website forever is a bad first impression caused by a non-appealing video. Instantly grabbing visitors' attention, engaging them, and building trust are the key factors of a powerful video. Marketers, advertisers, trainers, and communicators from businesses both small and large all want to use more motion, animation, or doodle videos to attract and keep viewers' attention, as well as to pass on their message in a powerful and effective way. Unfortunately, without the right tool, such content is difficult to create. It requires graphical and programming expertise, or, if you outsource it, it could cost $10,000 for a 5-minute video. This is why we are extremely excited to be able to tell you that now there is Explaindio, which is an easy-to-use video content creation software that allows you to combine 2D and 3D animations, whiteboard sketch elements, and full-motion video, all into one powerful, attention-grabbing video. This is the only video content creation software that does all this, and it can literally send your conversion soaring sky high. After supporting tens of thousands of video creators, we have discovered that videos which combine animation, whiteboard sketch, and full-motion video have the biggest impact on the viewer's attention and engagement. Explaindio is about freedom. It is not cloud-based, so you have all you need right at your computer without the need of persistent internet connection. You will never have to worry about slow server rendering times and your project sitting in a long processing queue, or being affected by slow internet connection or its complete lack. However, best of all is that you do not need any video production experience to use Explaindio. It allows even complete beginners to create professional quality video content with just a few simple mouse clicks. Creating high-quality, standout video has never been this simple. Explaindio allows anyone, no matter what their experience level, to create professional, appealing videos. Looking to quickly change your video ads to tweak them for better conversions? Explaindio gives you that flexibility and freedom to do changes very quickly as well. There is currently no more affordable video content creator with this much flexibility. Explaindio makes it possible to create attention-grabbing, professional-looking, marketing, advertising, and explainer videos in just minutes. That translates to more profits in a shorter amount of time, without production cost, which could run up to tens of thousands of dollars, and without waiting for weeks or months to have the video produced. Historically, those outrageous costs and long production times have led entrepreneurs or even bigger businesses to either abandon or significantly limit their video promotions. It all changes with Explaindio. Now marketers, advertisers, trainers, and communicators from businesses both small and large can use more videos to pass on their message without the previous restraints. Creating professional video content has never been this easy, but we want to give you more than just the software for your own business. Businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs all could pay $10,000 for 5 minutes of the same type of video, which you can make with Explaindio very fast. Explaindio commercial license allows you to cash on the fact that almost no businesses have in-house animation, whiteboard sketch, and motion video content creator, and instead they hire freelancers and pay for their service. It means that with Explaindio in your toolbox, you could get $10,000 for 5-minute video over and over again. We are the established market leader of do-it-yourself rapid business video content production. Tens of thousands of creators, marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses are already using our Explaindio software, with more joining every day. We have really taken the explainer, marketing, and advertisement video to the next level with this software. We are really excited what you can achieve with it as well. Today, we want to offer you instant access to Explaindio. We want to give you software that made this exact video you're watching right now. Plus, we are going to load the software with 200 ready-to-use animated scenes, 800 whiteboard sketch elements, and 100 motion video backgrounds which you can use instantly. Explaindio changes the way video content is created, and you can get your hands on this software at a very special discounted price today. Save time and money making high-converting videos in minutes using the effortless and most advanced real-time video content creator, Explaindio. So, here's a quick question for you. Are you ready to take your video engagement and conversion to the next level? If the answer is yes and you like instant access to Explaindio, then look below the video and click the buy button right now. Explaindio is going to give you a massive advantage over your competitors. You can create videos just like the one you are watching right now in just minutes from now for a very small investment. We look forward to seeing videos that you create and hear how they help you to increase your conversion, sales, and leads generation. Get Explaindio software now, and we will see you inside the member area.